Well, there goes the finest mode of transport in the West, and my Sunday laundry.
I repeat, the suspect is a giant, yellow, unmoving target. Free ice cream. No, wait, free snowballs.
Well, I guess I have a new hood ornament, made of motorcycle.
Half off fares today. And half a bus. I call this the nosedive of shame. The softest crash ever. And a tasty treat. We're following the rails. But we lost the rest of the truck. I ordered concrete, not a giant dessert. I cleared it. But I hit the eject button. Air support is down. Repeat, air support is down.
We're here! On the roof! Bring the balloons!
Even invisible bridges have their hazards.
I'm a bowling ball, and I'm going to the beach!
First time the logs ever hit a bike mid-air. That's a new one.
We were attacked by fruit and boxing equipment!
I'm swinging! I'm swinging!
Help! Happy holidays! We're stuck in glitter! We'll have to walk the rest of the way. And maybe call a welder.
I present the vertical rollout.
We're under attack by giant coils and pool supplies! I'm hitchhiking. But in style.
The bus is venting! Everyone, hold tight!
Simple geometry always wins.
I have achieved tree-level elevation. The grand finale! The jingle bells of destruction!
Lost the wheels! Now we're really stuck. We saved the child's life. But we killed their bike!
I've lost the tank, but I've saved the big gun.
We're hot by a giant spot! I'm blue. Da-ba-dee, da-ba-da. And I'm stuck.
I'm riding the spin cycle! Get me off this thing!
Everything is awesome until you crash into it.
We call this the limousine arch of triumph. Now, we wait.
I'm a swimmer, not a floater.
We beat the train. Now we ride the rails.
Mud 1, van 0. I lost my tires to the swamp.
Engine block secured. Car is permanently parked.
We've got a runaway patient covered in glitter.
I think I just got a haircut for my truck.
Vertical challenge failed. Back to horizontal rolling.
I made it!
Now end it. Now where's my coat?
The mountain one! The mountain one!
I think the ad just got a metallic edition.
We were defeated by a children's toy. My statue.
It's a jazz funeral for a hatchback. We arrived split, but we arrived.
I have been defeated by a child's building toy. Side door down. Donut secured.
I guess that was a load-bearing nap.
The safest crash ever. And a delicious smell.
The trailer is safe. Not only is the engine gone, but it's been squashed by a cartoon object. I'm defeated by coils and poultry. We're stuck, and it smells like dinner. I'm a cannonball. Fire me! I think I found the goldfish's new route. I'm a weather vane. And a parking champion.
That just became two truckers.
I'm defeated by coils and fitness equipment.
Mission aborted. The playground fought back.
I thought this was the pool. It's just a hole.